Welcome to Silly Science with Samantha. I'm Miss Samantha, and today I will show you a very simple experiment that you can do at home. It's called Milk Magic. So this is what you'll need to perform the experiment. A vessel for the experiment to be in, which I'm just using a plain plastic bowl. You can use paper, porcelain, glass, whatever you want. You just need somewhere to put the experiment, so I'm using a plastic bowl. You need whole milk. You don't need this much milk, but you do need whole milk for the experiment to work correctly. Dish soap, food coloring, Q-tips, and that's it. That's all you need for this experiment. So let's get started. First, I will take my vessel, my little experiment bowl, and I'm going to add the milk to the bowl. It doesn't have to be a lot, just enough so you can see what's going on. Then you're going to take some food coloring and put a couple dots in the bowl. The more colors, the better the experiment will work. So let's see if I can try to show you what I'm doing. So I'll do a couple of yellow, a couple red, a couple blue. Blue's my favorite, so I'll put a little bit more blue. And then green. You don't need a lot, just a couple dots. I'm doing a lot so you can really see what the experiment looks like. Then the next step is to get yourself some dish soap. I pour it out into a little container so it's easier to dip, but you don't have to do that. Put some dish soap on a Q-tip, so like this. Just dip the Q-tip in so that there's some dish soap on the Q-tip, and then I'm going to lightly touch the Q-tip with the dish soap to the colors in the experiment. Ready? Whoa! That's so cool! Look at that! So you'll see that every time I touch a color, it kind of bursts into the bowl and moves around. You can kind of touch different parts of the bowl. You don't have to touch the color necessarily to get movement, but because the colors are in the bowl, you'll get movement regardless. So you can kind of play with this a couple times. You can do a new Q-tip with more soap on it, but it doesn't have to be a lot of soap. Fun, right? So now let me explain the science behind the milk magic, okay? Milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. Proteins and fats can be changed so that when the dish soap is added to the molecules, to the milk, those molecules are running to try to catch up and attach themselves to the fat in the milk. That's why when you touch the dish soap to the milk, you can kind of see the colors expanding and bursting. You can only see these molecules moving when color is involved. That's why we put the food coloring into the experiment. So basically, when you touch your dish soap to the milk, the molecules from the dish soap are running around trying to attach themselves to the fat in the milk. You can see this by the bursts of color with the food coloring. Those bursts of color in the food coloring is actually the path that the molecules are taking to attach themselves to the milk. Pretty cool, right? Have fun, enjoy this experiment at home, and we'll see you next time.